layo ba? Grabe. Sinulit. Aray ko. Sinulit na. Basta rin layo. Ay, sinulit na layo. Yung layo. Ayan, music.
Oh, may commercial.
Okay na. Yung parang marcha ba? Go.
Best mom.
Wow.
Kasi putoy. Wow.
Dream come true for me. I have been blessed to become best nanay second runner-up. And today marks the end in this chapter of my life. And to my successor, Sarah Western, enjoy every moment. This is your moment, always in the ground. You know me.
Papakilagay na lang.
I say thank you.
Uy!
Hello, ha? Hindi, dyan.
Uy! Ay, balik!
Subo ka libayon.
Nagapati, banta na sa libayon na! Wow! Yan na yan!
Ah, dyan.
Best Mom 2018 second runner-up signing. Awaited.
Okay, done.
Post mo na, post.
Our fourth
Yan, ibaba na lang. Fourth.
goes to goes to contestant number 5.
Sino number 4?
Number 3, sorry. Number 3. Contestant number 4. Okay, we may request. I guess.
Ilan tubang niya? Pagtapos kapag sa...
Basta ka, gawang. Ano? Basta ka.
Wait lang.
Also, lahat ng preview, Palms Island. Palm Island.
Okay. Sit.
Ay, puro bukay pa.
Okay. Our fourth runner-up.
Tindog is kilig.
Third na.
Third runner-up goes to contestant number 2.
Third na. Please, ten. Hanggang kami number pa eh.
Oh my God!
Dahil tubang niya, tubang.
Bulak katag na.
Ah, bulak na, bulak. Flower. Where's the flower? Ang flower din doon.
Fruta na ito yung flower.
Taur. Ano naman na lang? Ah, number 3 yan ah. Number 3 o number 2 si Tintin?
Mama. Third runner up.
Ah.